Welcome back to the channel. It's birthday time again, and today I will show you how I decorated this beautiful passion cake for a pretty, simple, creamy, and full of passion flavor, and finished with swirls and touch of gold for that elegant tropical feel. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm using smooth whipped cream. I will start by layering my cake, just piping a ring of frosting around the edges, then smooth it all over. Create a border, then add a tangy passion card at the center for that tropical flavor. Spread it all over and stack the next cake layer, and we are going to repeat this cream card and smooth it out all around until done with all cake layers. This is a passion fruit cake. I've shared the recipe in this channel and I will share the link so that you can check it out if you missed it. Thanks for stopping by and welcome back. If you're coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome. And if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing for more amazing recipes like this. Press the notification bell so that you can come back and watch my other video. Like this video and watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Once all the layers are stuck, ensure it's well aligned. Now I'm going to do a crumb coating. Apply a thin frosting of cream to seal in the crumbs, which will give our final frosting a clear and a smooth look. I'm using a palette knife to spread my thin layer and ensure it's nicely smoothened. Once done with the crumb coating, take the cake to the refrigerator and chill it for about 20 minutes. My cake is out of the fridge and it's nice cold set, and it's time to decorate it. I'm going for a soft ombre look, white on top and a pale yellow on the bottom. So I'm just started with applying generous amount of whipped cream, white color towards the top half, and I'll spread it nicely using my palette knife. Smooth it as you remove the excess and try and level the top. Then blending into a soft yellow shade around the bottom to create a smooth ombre effect. Using a spatula or palette knife or scraper to blend the two colors together for that soft fade. And this color complements the passion fruit. I just chose this color for the little girl. It was a surprise cake and I didn't even know whether she would like it. Fortunately, she really loved it. She loved the tangy taste, she loved the flavor, she loved everything about the cake, the design, and I felt so nice. Keep turning your cake stand for an even finish. Don't worry about the perfection. Enjoy the process. Once the base is nice and smooth, now for the fun part, decorations. I have put together soft yellow and white whipped cream side by side, and here I'm just trying to play around with it to create some swirls, keeping the design light and airy. As you can see, it's coming out nicely for that elegant chic look, and I'm loving the end result. And for the final touch, I'm adding white and gold sugar pearls on the upper side of the cake and by the sides of the rosette, and also sprinkle some on the swirls for that elegant sparkle. Finishing up with some gold toppers, and Terry is turning 15. So finishing with 15th birthday topper to make it look extra special. And of course, a butterfly topper which I added out of the camera. And there is the final look, a soft ombre passion cake with whipped cream and passion card. It's simple, creamy, and perfect for celebrating a sweet 15 or any preteen birthday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy cake decorating ideas. It was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in my next happy baking.